Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by clarifying what you need and why, a clear role and schedule speeds matching. Write a concise blurb that states platform, mic need, and expected playtimes. This reduces wasted replies. Once done, post that blurb to 3 targeted places: game forums, Discord servers, and platform friend groups. Make sure to pin it or reuse weekly. You'll get faster responses when you mention skill level and a simple tryout plan. Don't skip that. You screen quickly to avoid time sinks. Ask 3 focused questions in chat, then invite promising players to a short trial match. During the trial, listen for clear callouts and watch positioning. Latency and attitude matter as much as aim. Take notes: objective focus, adaptability under pressure, and how they accept feedback. Once you identify 2-3 fits, schedule recurring sessions, and set expectations for roles and progression. Make sure you finalize the team by creating a short onboarding, 2-week trial, explicit rules, and role assignments so everyone knows where they fit. Schedule regular reviews to track performance and morale. Rotate subs when attendance dips. If conflicts or poor synergy arise, run a quick, structured debrief. Identify the cause, try role swaps, then retest in one match. If problems persist, replace a slot. One key troubleshooting tip: always document behavior and performance before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.